Hello, hello! Today is backdrop day. I'm so excited. We are Wednesday, and for those who doesn't know me, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm 28 years old, and I launched my own company, bamluxurystore.com. I will put you like the link of the website just here. And as you can see behind me, I have luxury bags and accessories, and this is what I sell. So today we are Wednesday, and every Wednesday I do like a backdrop day every week, no exception. So to do this, usually I make like videos on YouTube, I make a live on Instagram and TikTok, and I send you an email through the website. So I decided that I will like film every day for 3 to 4 days in order to show you what I'm doing like every single day. So I'm very excited because we're Wednesday in the morning, and tonight we have a new backdrop day. So I'm kind of stressed and excited at the same time. It's gonna be just amazing. So I was able to have my breakfast, I was able to prepare, and now I'm gonna just work on the computer. I have like lots of administration stuff to do this morning, so we're gonna go do this. You'll see on this video, it's already a drop that you saw because I'm not gonna spoil you everything, obviously. So let's go. I'm kind of very excited to show you everything. I just came back from the Pilates and it felt actually very good, and now I'm taking a bit of the sun, like a little break to just enjoy and relax because I'm kind of very nervous tonight. Pilates felt like just perfect because it helped me like to relax my body, my mind too, but I don't know, I'm still very nervous today and I just don't know exactly why. And here I'm just in the bedroom like enjoying the sun and taking my vitamin D. So now I'm just relaxing a bit more. Then I'm gonna have to do like some work on the computer, so nothing too much interesting, and then I will see you back there. And I want to show you some few things just after, so let's see you. So here is the backdrop day. So this is what's gonna launch tonight. I'm very excited because we have this beautiful Chanel. I'm gonna unbox it for you. You know, we have everything on this. It's a full set completely. And as you can see, this is a Chanel white heart. It is a mini one. This one is just insane. I'm very happy. And actually it was sold a few weeks ago. So when you see this right now, it's already actually sold out. And we only have like the Givenchy bag. Ça y est, Internet remarche. Du coup, je vais pouvoir avancer. Voilà, c'est ce genre de petit contretemps qui est un peu relou. Mais du coup, c'est parti. So I'm back here and I want to show you how it works when I create an email and how I send you. And normally you should have received it at 6 p.m. tonight. So as you can see, this is not sent yet. It's supposed to be sent at 6 p.m. and we're gonna modify this together. I always make like double check on what I've done to see if everything is right. So actually we're gonna just check everything out, and when I do this I usually do the check, the double check on the next day. So here we are, the object of the email, everything looks good, the title is always the same, looks perfect to me, and I have all the items releasing tonight for the video, but it's already released on the website. And on the bottom of the email you have what's left on the website. Most of everything were actually sold out already, but you can have a look on the website and maybe you'll find something not sold out. Everything sells out so fast. And so I'm just gonna program it like the email, and I'm gonna send it like tonight and at 6 p.m. It's always like the same hour. And if you want to be notified, just go on the website, early access, put your email, and you'll receive the mail. So now get back to Canva. I think you all know Canva, what it is. It's a way to create content actually, and I always do like my stories of Instagram on it. So in stock and sold, everything is doing on it. So usually I change the title, I put like the in stock, and then after I just change the images, the photos that I previously took, that I previously uploaded on Canva. And this is actually super easy to make, and when I upload it on Instagram, I just add the link and that's it. So it's actually 5:56 so only 4 minutes left before the drop, before the email release. I'm kind of stressed, actually, I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes you can receive an email in the spam, but obviously we are not, so do not hesitate to put like not a spam. It will help us a lot. So yeah, I do have the drop in 2 minutes, so I will need to check the website, to move the website, to put the drop on the website, the new drop. I will have to go up the product on the front page, on the page of the website, everything. Honestly, I stress like a lot. It's every week different, and yeah, it's a kind of a lot of stress. I'm always asking myself if it's gonna please you, if you're gonna like the bags, if you're gonna buy. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Okay, 6 p.m. so let's go. I'm just gonna check on the front page that everything is okay or not. So I just check on new drop if I have the 6 items for tonight, and we're good to go. Then I go down and I check here, but all good, looks fine. We go to new drop and we're gonna check if everything is here, then to shop to see if every products are up on the list. Okay, so we are all good. We just have to wait now and see how it goes. Okay, so this I will show you later, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna check if the mail is gone. Okay, so it was not sent yet. So far we have only one visitor because the email was not sent yet. So now I'm gonna go on YouTube to put the link under the video for product link. Okay, so I have a little issue. The mail just here. It's supposed to be sent at 6 p.m. but it's 6:11 and it's not sent. So I tried to duplicate this email and to send it again, but it's still not working. I'm a bit pissed because it's supposed to be sent at 6 p.m. It's so annoying. Like, technology sometimes can be so freaking annoying and stressing. Okay, good news. We now have the email sent. It's 6:30 p.m. past. I'm very relieved because without this email, it's strange. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you the website right now. We have 12 people on the website at the moment. They come from Paris and Marseille mainly, but also from United States today and some other country, obviously. Then here you can see the active card, payments, and boat instance. Okay, so we have someone from South Carolina. It's crazy. France, UK, and this is just insane to see this, as we are a very small business, but I'm so thankful. So thank you so much, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm like, oh my gosh, yes. So I'm very excited because we have one sale in live. So I'm very excited how you can see the screen moving what we sold. So we sold 2 items at the same time. I'm very excited that you were able to see it and how it works. Usually we have like a small notification with money sound. It's actually very fun. And oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is how it looks actually on the back of it. It's really nice. This is all for tonight. Thank you for watching the first day, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Ciao. Hello. So this morning I'm so exhausted. I don't know why, maybe the stress, but I'm freaking exhausted. So this morning we're gonna go to Passeig de Gracia. It's the main street in Barcelona where you have all the luxury shops, and we're gonna ask people some question like what's their preferred bag, what they bought in store, and a lot of things, and you're gonna follow us for this. So we sold these 3 items, so we're gonna now pack them, and I'm gonna show you how I pack and an order, because we sold the 3 items to the one person. Okay, so it's the night and we are a co-working space. So we are working with wine, with Vincent and some friends, and for me Coca-Cola of course, and we are doing some accountability. This is clearly no fun. And this is what we received from Je suis Lou. I'm so excited! So we worked a bit, then I was kind of very tired, so I stopped because I have like a headache. So I'll see you tomorrow, bye! I'm back. So I was at an important meeting. I'm gonna work on the admin side, then we're gonna eat, and then I'm gonna go to Soho House. I don't know if you know what Soho House. This is kind of a club where you can co-work, you can chill at the cinema, at the rooftop, at the swimming pool. So this is actually super nice, and I usually go for the co-working space because it's changed from the office. Actually, this is all. So I'm just gonna prepare myself first. My god, look what I just received. I'm very excited because I just came home and I received this package, so I'm so excited. We were waiting for this for a long time and I know you're gonna love it. Everything is actually sold out as we speak, as you see this video, because these are amazing items. But yeah, I'm very excited actually to have this. And I'm very excited because I also received another package. It's a Louis Vuitton book. Vincent made it a surprise. I thought it was for him, but actually it's for me, so ooh, so cute. I'm sorry guys, so yeah, I didn't had the time to work that much today. It was more like very meetings stuff to do, but I'm gonna try to bring you with me tomorrow, so it's gonna be like a day 4 in the end. I hope you're gonna enjoy it, but we have a lot to do. I'm gonna show you how I receive a bag, how I treat the bag, how I put the bag online. Then I'm gonna try to show you this part. So thank you for following and see you tomorrow. So I received this new baby, and so I'm gonna start to do the SKU number. So it's the identification number of the bag when I want to reach it. So I have my computer on this side because I also gonna put the SKU on my Google Sheet. So this is actually very important. I'm gonna open the box, take the little etiquette, and so I'm gonna explain you now how I'm doing this. Actually, guys, this is a number, so this is the amount of bags we had so far, so this is the last number. Then I have CH for Chanel, for the brand, 2 first letter of the brands, and then red, so RE, so for red, so the 2 first letter of the color. And on the back of the tag I put my price actually. So 1,850 euro for this amazing beauty. So if you are interested, just let me know in the comment. I'll be happy to tell you about this bag. Then this time it's photo shooting time for the bag. I always had this kind of angle. And then Vincent is going on the website to make the product page. This is so important. Now I'm just filming like 2 YouTube videos, always the French version and the English version. So it's already noon. So I have done a lot this morning, so I'm kind of happy compared to yesterday actually, so it feels good. And this afternoon we're gonna try to catch the sun at the beach. We're gonna have a picnic because it's been a long time we haven't done this, and this is Saturday, so we don't usually take some time off on the weekend, so we work a lot, but this weekend we will try to have some time off this Saturday. So here we go.
C'est la fin du vlog? C'est déjà la fin?
Oh oui.
On est quel jour?
Nouvelle aventure le printemps.